أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي ربنا زدنا علما آمين يا رب العالمين. Welcome back to Level 4 Nahw, where we study advanced sentence structure and deeper analysis of Arabic grammar. Today's topic is from this abnormal sentence structure in Afal Nakasa, and we are going to focus on how Afal Nakasa or any Fail Nakis sentence sometimes change the UL word order. So let's see, inshallah. First, what is a standard order? Like for Jumla Ismiya, it is the Mubtada followed by the Khabar and followed by the Muta'alliq bil Khabar. So we have this like Mubtada, we know that if it is Kana Yakun sentences, again we will take them as Jumla Ismiya. So we have Mubtada, then we have that Fail Naqis, and then we have the Ism Kana and the Khabru Kana if that is Kana. So below are some two examples that we are going to do today that have the Taqdeem or Ta'khir, and we know that there is delaying and there is like something is put before its serial order. So what is the scenario here? Like here, mutalik bil khabar comes before the khabar. So let's see that, for example, it is possible for the mutalik bil khabar to come before the khabar. See this example, qad kunta fina marjuwan. You had been a source of hope amongst us. So this word marjuan, it is the one in whom hope was placed, like it is from the root letters ra, jim, and vav. Marjuvan, so the one in whom hope was placed. So this is kad kunta fina marjuan. So we know that this is uh, Failin sentence. We have kunta anta. Anta kunta, we know that this is another, you can say, a siga of kana. So we have, now we need to find the isim kana and the khabru kana. So here you see, because it is anta kunta, so it is not from hua or hiya version. So we are not going to look for an outside isim because it is a file in our case. We are not going to find a outside file, but or we are going to see the outside ism if it has the war here version. But here we see kunta, that is the inside. We have this visible here ism, and that is anta, anta, that is showing its ismu. So fa'il madi naqis, and it is mabni ala sukun, and it has this ta as its ism. So we have found its ism. It is kana fa'il naqis with its ism ta. So then we have fina, that is jar wa majroor, and that is because we know that it is jumla ismiya, and we have this khabar is a single or mufrad isim. So we will have mutalik bil khabar, that is marjuwan. Marjuwan is our khabar kana because it is in the state of nasab. It is mansoob bil fatha. So we have the i'rab now for kunta fina marjuwan, in which we see taqdeem and ta'khir happening because this mutalib bil khabar is coming before the khabar, before the standard order of the Jumla Ismiya Kana. And here we see the Isim Kana and this Khabru Kana. And Khabru Kana is like delaying because of this Fina, that is Mukaddam. So we have this Jar wa Majroor, and it is Mukaddam to Khabar Kana, and that is Mansub al Fatha. So you had been a source of hope amongst us is a beautiful example. Kad kunta fina marjuwan, in which we have this abnormal structure, like this mutalik bil khabar is coming before the khabar. Now, then the next example is it is also possible for the mutalik bil khabar to come before the mubtada. Now, see this also, this beautiful example here. Wakana lahu samarun. Wakana lahu samarun. So we have again this one where we have this wow harf atf, and we have kana fi'l madi naqis, and again we have lahu here, and that is harf jar, and this ha is the main muttasil mabni fi mahalli jar. So we have the jar majroor, and we have this as now khabar kana for muqaddam. Then we have samarun, because we know that the the ism of kana is always marfu, and we know that when we have the who over here version, we can have an outside ism like a frail. If it has there are the versions of who are here, we can have an outside file. So just like that, if it is who are here versions for kana, we can have an outside ism. So for an outside ism, we look for a word that is in the state of marfu. So we found samarun, that is marfu. That is also we can say it is isim kana muakhar. So that is takhir is done here because this Java majroor is coming before this, you can say, the isim kana. So it is isim kana muakhar marfu wa alamati rafi ad-damma az-zahira, as we always do ala akhirih, and it is isim of this fi'l naqis kana. So and he had the fruit, or you can have another translation, and for him was fruit, as you can literally translate, and for him was fruit. So this is again this second condition, like it is also possible for a mutalib bil khabar to come before the mubtada. This occurs, but it is not limited to the possessive. Some other type of sentences can also come. So we have now this we learn about the mutalib khabar that comes before the khabar, actual khabar, and then we have the mutalib khabar that comes before the mubtada, and in this case this prepositional phrase like comes before the isim here, as we have seen here, wagana lahu samarun. And then we have the example falaysa alaykum junahun. Falaysa alaykum junahun, so there is no blame upon you. So there is no blame upon you. Notice that the jar majroor comes between the fi'l naqis and its isim. So there is no blame on you. Again, we have this jar majroor before this isim, and we see here this mutalib bil khabar. Now, the summary is like you can all this summarize in like that. The mubtada, that is our falinakis, it can have an abnormal sentence, and just like that, here we also see for laysa as well, and it has this. This is also falimadi nakis, and also it is mabni al fath. We have this alaykum, this jar majroor, and it's mutalik bil khabar, and it is muqaddam. Also junahun, it is ism laysa, and it is muakhar marfu alamati rafi الدم الظاهر على آخره. And also this is it, like this is the abnormal structure that we learn for kana yakunu, like we can have a mutalib bil khabar comes before the khabar. Also for you can say like it is for emphasis done, like if you take the balagha aspect of this, so this adds emphasis or a particular style. Also mutalib bil khabar is coming here before the mubtada, and it is often used in the possessives, like here lahu. You can see this is showing the possession. Again, also just learn that this is, you can say, a very this is a golden rule that a mutalib bil khabar should never come before the fail naqis, like it can never come before the fail. So this is it, like this is the abnormal structure that we have learned, like how sometimes the standard order is just changed. So, inshallah, I'll see you in the next session with more complex sentence structures. Like we'll learn how they are used if we are using kana wa akhwatuha. Barakallahu li wa lakum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.